students, now we will discuss IIT problems on mechanics. Next problem is question number 7. Two objects move with constant velocities v1 vector and v2 vector. At the initial moment, their position vectors are equal to r1 vector and r2 vector. How must these four vectors be related for the objects to collide? Now solution is, first of all, draw the graph for the motion. Suppose this is a point O origin, this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. Suppose there are two objects A and B. The position vector of A is r1 vector and position vector of object B is r2 vector. The object A is moving with velocity v1 and object B is moving with velocity v2. Now for the object to collide, the direction of velocity of object at B must be directed toward the object at A. If A is moving with the velocity v1 and if A is supposed to be at rest, B gain a other velocity minus v1 vector. So the direction of v2 vector plus minus v1 vector, v2 vector and minus v1 vector is equal to directed from B to A, that is unit vector of relative velocity of object at B with respect to object at A must directed along the unit vector n cap. Direction of relative velocity of object at point B with respect to object at point A is n cap is equal to v2 vector minus v1 vector upon mod of v2 vector minus v1 vector. This gives the direction of relative velocity of object at point B with respect to object at point A. Let it be equation number 1. Also, from triangle law of vector addition, in triangle OAB, change the diagram. This is triangle OAB. So in this triangle, the vector R2 plus BA vector, that is R2 vector plus BA vector, must equal to R1 vector according to triangle law of vector addition. Therefore, this implies BA vector is equal to R1 vector minus R2 vector. Therefore, n cap, the unit vector along direction from B to A, is equal to BA vector upon mod of BA vector. Putting the values of BA vector, so n cap is equal to R1 vector minus R2 vector upon mod of R1 vector minus R2 vector. Let it be equation number 2. From equation number 1 and equation number 2, see n cap is equal to given from equation number 1 and also from equation number 2. n cap is same, mean left hand side is same, the right hand must be equal. Therefore, R1 vector minus R2 vector upon mod of R1 vector minus R2 vector. This must be equal to V2 vector minus V1 vector upon mod of V2 vector minus V1 vector. So this is the relation between the four vectors so that the object at point A and object at point B they collide with each other. This is the condition for the four vectors so that the given object collide with each other. Thank you very much.